Can't believe this is our home. So.
I think the most exciting part for us was trying to make the home our own and put our stamp on it and say, this is now what we want and what we love and where we want to be.
This feels like our place now, not just a place that we moved into, but now this feels like our forever place now, our forever home. When we first bought the house, it was a lot of oak, a lot of the same kind of wood in our house. So the initial project was just going to be the kitchen. And then we thought, well, as long as we're redoing the kitchen, maybe we'll redo the floor and we'll take the carpet out. And then it just kind of kept getting bigger and bigger, and we didn't want to look back at it at the end and say, oh, well, we wish we would have done this part, or we wish we would have done this too. So we just did it all so it had a nice cohesive look.
Everything is functional, and it's functionally kind of specific for us. So the mudroom, for example, kind of fits our family to the T. It's exactly what we need.
Everything has a place now. I think I have the neatest junk drawer right now. Like, it's very organized because everything else, it has a place. We get home and shoes have a place. The laundry has a place. It's not just sitting out in the middle of the floor drying on a rack. It has a place. So it's made it very easy for us to function in our daily lives and to know exactly where to find things now.
It's just a kind of purposeful design that we love having at our fingertips.
What I love most about it is, well, all of it. I love the different woods that we have in here now, and that it's not just all the same.
The biggest win for me, I feel, was the ease of the process throughout the whole thing. We thought we knew that this would be exactly what we wanted, but Brittany and the rest of the team were able to tell us, have you considered this, or what about this option? So it was really refreshing to have her insights and ideas contribute to the whole plan. Green cabinets on the bottom. So happened one day some of the doors got taken away and painted white, got put back on right in the middle. We thought it was a unique look, kind of reminiscent of the Nigerian flag. And Brittany came up with this look.
Yeah, they said, sorry,
this was the inspiration
behind that.
Entire coffee bar.
So we had some giggles about it for a while, and now we have this to remember that.
Yeah, that'll go up there.
Well, we knew it was going to get fixed, and so like I said, the things that didn't quite go as planned, we didn't have to stress out about, because we knew Tom and Mark and Brittany and David, like, they were going to take care of it.